Meaning of ice pack.
Ice pack.
Ice pack.
Ice pack.
Ice pack. An ice pack is a portable device designed for therapeutic cold therapy. It typically consists of a gel-filled or water-filled plastic pouch that can be chilled in the freezer and then applied to an injured or sore area of the body to reduce pain, inflammation, and swelling. The cold temperature causes blood vessels to constrict, which reduces fluid buildup in the affected area. Ice packs are commonly used for treating sports injuries, sprains, strains, headaches, fever, and other conditions that benefit from cold therapy. Overall, ice packs are a simple yet effective tool for managing pain and promoting healing.